Okay, let's get to it. We're going to start off by making a yummy fruit smoothie. Drop some banana, some strawberries, and some milk right into your blender. Hit blend and let it work. Once it's all blended up together, pour it into a cute little glass mug, like so. I topped off my smoothie with a fresh strawberry. Next, we're going to toast some waffles. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell it through the screen. Once toasted, we're going to use these little cookie cutters and cut the waffles into heart shapes. Super simple, super cute. Place the waffles onto your plate like so. Stack it up nice and add some whipped cream. I sprinkled on some blueberries. And some candy sprinkles on top. You can do any fruit of choice. I'm also adding a bowl of strawberry yogurt with a fresh strawberry as the side. Decorate with some pretty flowers and cute little decorations. All done! How delicious does this look right now? Yum. For our second meal, we are going to take 2 slices of white bread and use the same cookie cutter to cut out heart shapes from each slice. Put your 2 hearts to the side and take your original slice of bread and add to an oiled pan. Crack an egg into the middle of your bread and add your little hearts to toast on the side. Once your egg is cooked to your liking, remove from the pan. I sprinkled some rose petals onto the tray and added some pretty flowers and decorations. It's in the details, guys. And then I added my eggs and toast. Pour up a nice hot cup of coffee. Add some milk. And top it off with some whipped cream. To really put it over the edge, I sprinkle on some cocoa powder on the top. So easy, but so cute and so special. For our last meal, oil up your pan, crack 2 eggs, and cook them to your liking. Once done, add onto your plate. Place on the tray and season to taste. I added some salt and some herbs. Then I added some yummy croissants and a bowl of fresh fruit. I used an even smaller cookie cutter to cut out heart-shaped mango and watermelon, and then added fresh blackberries. Place onto the tray, add some rose petals, add some decorations, a beautiful rose. I also added this heart-shaped plate to make it a little more special. And of course, do not forget your hot coffee with milk. Lastly, I'm taking a large marshmallow and shaping it into a heart, like so, and then adding it to the hot coffee. So cute and so sweet. All done! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!